All right, those were my grape tomatoes that I put with my boursin shallot and chive cheese. Next, I'm coming in with the one zucchini that I cut up, and we're gonna put that right next to our tomatoes. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good and delicious. Next, I have some mushroom slices. Now, if you don't like mushroom, you can't skip this, but my family loves mushrooms. I cannot get Danny to stop eating mushrooms. And we're putting that right next to our boursin cheese, to our tomatoes, and our zucchini. My favorite ingredient is some sun-dried tomatoes, and we're gonna put these right here, get them all out of the jar. We're using this whole jar. Perfect. Oh my. Now, last but certainly not least, I have 2 bulbs of garlic that we're gonna put right next to our zucchini. So we got our cheese, our tomatoes, our mushrooms, our garlic, our zucchini, and our sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, now let's go ahead and remove our wrappers. Okay, it is time to season this, and we're gonna start off with some black pepper. Now you can season this however you like, but I am using my favorite seasonings, my classics. If you follow me, you know exactly what those seasonings are. I'm gonna really get this out. I think I need to put it on this one. Oh, there we go. Get some good pepper in there, a nice little kick to our delicious, healthy dinner. Next, we're gonna just add some salt, just a quick little sprinkle of salt. If you're worried about your sodium, you can skip it. Now, onion powder. Just the classics, you guys, keeping it simple and delicious. Beautiful. Last but certainly not least, some garlic powder. And we're gonna go heavy-handed with the garlic powder because it is my favorite. Oh my, that looks absolutely incredible. Now to tie everything together, we're just gonna drizzle our extra virgin olive oil. Woo. Get that on the tomatoes. Oh yeah, that cheese smells absolutely incredible. I love making this dish. It's so delicious. My family absolutely loves it. They asked me to make it once a week. That's how good it is. Danny's made it before and his followers loved it. So of course I had to share it with you guys as well. Okay, I added about a cup of that olive oil. Now this is gonna go into the oven. My oven is set to 350 and it's gonna be in there for about 45 minutes. All right, you guys, we just took this out of the oven and look how incredible this looks. Oh my. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. I have my potato masher and it's time to go in and squish everything together. We want that garlic to be mashed. We want the tomatoes. We want the mushrooms, everything to be well combined together. Oh, the zucchini is perfectly cooked. All right, let's really put some arm muscle into this so we can get a delicious sauce. All right, this looks good enough. Now it's time to add our main ingredient, our pre-cooked pasta. And we're just gonna use our penne pasta, grab our spoon and toss this in our delicious sauce. Oh my, it's gonna be cheesy. It's gonna be acidic from the tomatoes. It's gonna have that great protein from the mushrooms. We have the sun-dried tomatoes, the veggies with the zucchini. It's literally everything you need in a dinner, all in one pan, plus your pot to cook your pasta. But look how decadent that looks. It's like a gourmet 5-star restaurant quality pasta dish. It's time to give this a try. Bon appetit. I'm so excited. My pasta is cooked perfectly. Oh my gosh. It just gets better every time I make it. Gotta try it.